Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos to Canva in the app. So what we're going to do is open the Canva app and I'm going to start a new project. So I'm just going to come down to the bottom and hit on this purple plus sign here. I'm then going to just select a presentation just for the sake of this video. And as you can see, we have got, it is now popped up with templates for us to choose. I'm going to swipe down as I'm going to use a blank template. So we have now got our blank template here, and then I'm just going to press the cross. And as you can see, we've got lots of different options along the bottom. So you want to scroll across, and as you can see, we have got uploads here. So if we give that a click, and then I'm going to press upload files. And then I'm going to say upload from device and then press photo library. And then as you can see, we have now got all our photos that you can choose from. So I'm just going to scroll down and then I'm just going to select this picture here of this palm tree. I'm going to tap that. You can add as many photos as you want, but I'm just going to do the one. And then I'm going to come up to the top right and hit the add button. And that has now been added. So as you can see, this is our gallery here. So if you select that, and there we go, that picture is now on our blank design. And then you can make it bigger if you want by dragging any one of the corners, holding it down and dragging it and making it however you want. And that's it, guys. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.